Now we are coming to exercise 2a. Exercise 2a. Now, first question is evaluate. Evaluate is there. Now I am taking first part itself. Here 4 power minus 3 is given. 4 power minus 3 is given. You can write this in bracket also. 4 power minus 3 is there. So you have seen that a by b power minus n is there. Then we can write it as b by a power n. So here nothing is there at the denominator. So this is 4 upon 1 power minus 3. 4 by 1, here nothing was there, so I have written 1 and power minus 3. The same process we will do the reciprocal and the power will become positive. So this 1 upon 4 power 3. Now minus n becomes plus n, so minus 3 becomes plus 3. This is equal to 1 upon 4 power 3. So further you can write it as 4 into 4 into 4. So you are getting 64. So answer is 1 upon 64. Now I am coming to next part. Here minus 3, fourth part I am taking. Fourth part minus 3 power minus 4 is there. Power minus 4 is there. Again, as we have done in the first part, here we can write it as minus 3 upon 1 power minus 4. Then we will do the reciprocal of minus 3 by 1, that is minus 1 by 3 or minus 1 by 3 power 4 is there. Then you have seen that when power is even, when the value of n is even, then it becomes positive. When n is odd, negative sign is there, n is odd, the power is odd, then it becomes negative. Now here 4 is even, so we can write it as 1 upon 3. I have not written here negative sign. So this is 1 upon 3 power 4. So you can write 1 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 1 upon 81. 3 into 3 is here 9, is here 27, is here 81. So answer is 1 upon 81. Now question number second. Again there is evaluate. Third part I am taking. 2 by 3 power minus 3. Power minus 3 is there into 2 by 3 power minus 2 is there. 2 by 3 power minus 2 is there. We have to evaluate this one. Clear? So what we can do here, as you have seen, a by b power minus n is equal to b by a power n. So this we will use here. We can write it a by b, that is 2 by 3. We can write 3 by 2. 3 by 2 power, now it will become minus 2 plus. So 3. And this again we can write 3 by 2 power, this will become minus 2, then it become plus 2. Now here you can see here, you have seen the laws of exponent. A by b power m into base is same here, so a by b power n. Then what you are getting? A by b power m plus n. The same law will be applicable here because base is same here, a by b is there, power m, power n. So according to this law, we will write here 3 by 2 power m plus n, that is 3 plus 2. Now what we are getting? We are getting 3 by 2 power 5. Now further 3 power 5 upon 2 power 5. As you have seen, the law a by b power n is equal to a power n upon b power n. According to that law, we have written this one. So now you can multiply it. So you will get 3 5 times you have to multiply. 3 9, 27, 81, 243. 5 times, so you are getting 243. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times you are doing here. And now 2 into 2. You are getting 4, 2 are 8, 2 are 16, 2 are 32. You are getting here. So our answer is 243 upon 32. Now I am taking third question. This is again evaluate. First part is 5 by 9 power minus 2 into 3 by 5 power minus 3 into 3 by 5 power 0 is here. So what we can do here, this is a by b power minus n, a by b power minus n, then we can write b by a power n. The same thing we will use here and here also. So this is equal to 9 by 5, a by b, then b by a. 9 by 5 power 2 into the same thing we will do here. This will become 5 by 3 power plus 3 we will write here, and this is 3 by 5 power 0. You have also seen the law a by b power 0 for any rational number. A by b power 0, that is equal to 1. So here we will write 1 itself. Now this we can write as you have seen, a by b power n is equal to a power n upon b power n. We can separate the exponent here. So we will write here according to that 9 power 2 upon 5 power 2. And this 5 power 3 upon 3 power 3 into 1, write it or don't write. Now this equals to here 9 is equal to 3 power 2, and this whole power is 2 is there, and this is 5 power 3 is there, and here 5 power 3 is there. I am writing it here. Here 3 power 3 is there. I am writing below to 3. 3 power 3 into 5 power 2 here. Now what will happen? This, the law that we will use here, a by b power m whole power n is there, then a by b power m into n. the same law we will use here. 3 power 2 power 2, then it means that 3 power 2 into 2, that is 4, into, this is division, so in division exponent subtract, so 5 power 3, then we are dividing by 5 power 2 because this is a denominator, so we are dividing, minus 2 upon 3 power 3. Now I am writing here, so I can write here 3 power, now we are dividing 3 power 4 by 3 power 3, so we can write 3 power 4 minus 3 into 5 power 3 minus 2, that is 5 power 1. So you are getting 3 power 4 minus 3, this is also 3 power 1 into 5 power 1, this is 3 power 1 means 3, 5 power 1 means 5, so you are getting 15. So our answer for this question is 15. Now I am coming to next question, that is question number 4. Again you have to evaluate. So fourth question, second part I am taking. Minus 1 by 3 is there. Then power minus 2 is there. Then power minus whole power minus 1 is there. So what we can do here? This is a by b power minus n. A by b power minus n is there, but here minus 1 by 3 power 2 is also there. 1 by 3 power 2 whole power minus 2 is there. So a by b power 2 is there. Here the law you have seen that a by b power m whole power n is there, then you can write it equal to a by b power m into n. Same law we can use here, minus 1 by 3 power minus 2 and whole power minus 1 is there, so we can use that one. But here you can see here, when power is even, then negative sign no need to write. When power is odd, so negative sign will come there. So minus 1 by 3 itself first can be written as 1 by 3 power 2. Then this whole power minus 2 is there. Then that power minus 1 is there. I have written minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3 because power is even. The value of n is even here. So I have not written negative sign here. Now I will apply this law. So what will happen? 1 by 3 power 2 whole power minus 2 is there. So a by b power m into n. So 1 by 3 power, what will happen? 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4, and this power minus 1. You can do the reciprocal here also because power is negative, so you can write it as 3 by 1. 3 by 1 power 4 is there, minus then this becomes plus because I have done the reciprocal. Now whole power minus 1 is there. Now what we can do here, 3 by 1 power 4 into minus 1, then we can write it as 3 power 4, 3 by 1, or no need to write here 1, 3 power 4 into minus 1. So you are getting 3 power minus 4. Now you can write this as 3 by 1, that is 1 by 3, 1 by 3 power 4. Then I will write from here 1 by 3 power 4 equal to 1 upon 3 power 4. So you will get 81. So our answer is 1 upon 81. Now we are solving question number 5th. Evaluate is there, and the question is 1 by 3 power minus 3 is there, into minus 1 by 2 power minus 3 is there. This divided by 1 by 4 power minus 3. So here negative exponents are there. First we will write a by b power minus n, then it will become b by a power n. So that law I will use here. So this will become 1 by 3 power minus 3 is there. So 3 by 1 power 3 is there, minus 1 by 2 power minus 3 is there. So it will become 2 by 1 power 3 divided by the same thing 4 by 1 power. Now it will become plus 3. I have done the reciprocal of the rational number. So you are getting this as 3 power 3. 3 by 1 means nothing. 3 power 3 minus 2 by 1, that is 2 power 3 divided by 4 by 1, or simply 4 power 3. Now first we will solve this one. So you are getting 3 power 3. 3 here 9 is 27. 3 times you will multiply 3. So you are getting 27 minus 2 to the 4 to the 8 you will write here. Then this divided by 4 3 times, 4 into 4 into 4. So you are getting 64. 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64 you are getting. Now 27 minus 8 you are getting 19 divided by 64, that is 19 upon 64. So what is our answer? 19 upon 64. Next question I am taking question number 7. We have to evaluate. The question is evaluate 5 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 whole power minus 1, this divided by 6 power minus 1. So we have to evaluate this one. So what we can write? This is equal to question that is equal to this is 5 power minus 1. So 5 by 1 power minus 1, that will become 1 by 5 power 1, or don't write it. So I am writing here 5 power minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 5 into 3 power minus 1, just do the reciprocal. 3 by 1 is there, so 1 by 3 divided by 6 by 1 power minus 1 is there, so you can write 6, so 1 by 6. So what you are getting here, 1 by 5 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 5 into 1 by 3, and here power minus 1 is there. So, and this we have done here. So 1 by 5 into 1 by 3, 1 by 15 is there. Whole power minus 1 is there. Then division sign is there. If you want to convert this, then it will become 6 by 1, or simply 6 you can write here. So here you are getting 1 by 15 power minus 1, then you can write, do the reciprocal. So 15 power 1, or don't write. So 1 by 15 power minus 1 is equal to 15, and this is into 6, then you are getting 90. So answer is 90. 7, 8 is there. 7 we have solved. Question number 8. You have to find the value. You have to find the value. 8, one part I am doing. Question number 8. You have to find the value of 2 power 0 plus 3 power minus 1. 3 power minus 1 into 3 power 2. So a by b power 0 for any rational number, a by b power 0, that equal to 1. So we will write here 1. So this is 3 power minus 1, we can write as 1 by 3 into 3 power 2 is there. So write down, don't solve it. So what you are getting here, you will add this one. So 1 is the LCM, so 3 plus 1 into 3 power 2. So this is 4 by 3 into 3 power 2. So what we will write here, 4 into 3 power 2, and this is nothing is there, so 3 power 1 is there. So division is there, power will subtract. So 3 power 2 minus 1. So what you are getting here, 4 into 3 power 2 minus 1, that is 3 power 1, or 4 into 3, this is equal to 12. So our answer is 12. Now question number 9 is there. Find the value of x. Find the value of x for which we have 5 by 3 power minus 4, 5 by 3 power minus 4 into 5 by 3 power minus 5 is equal to 5 by 3 power 3x is there. Here exponents are negative here, but we are not doing the reciprocal here. Why? Because 5 by 3 and also 5 by 3 here at RHS power 3x. So I am not doing the reciprocal here. So solution, you will write the question first, then this implies that a by b power m into a by b power n, that is equal to a by b power m plus n. That now we are using here. So a by b. So 5 by 3 power minus 4 plus minus 5, that is equal to 5 by 3 power 3x. So 5 by 3 power minus 4 minus 5, 5 by 3 power 3x is there. Now this 5 by 3 minus 4 minus 5, that will add, negative sign will be there, so that is equal to minus 9. Here 5 by 3 is there. So here you can see LHS and RHS base is same, 5 by 3 is there, 5 by 3 is there, so their exponent must be equal. So we will equate the exponents. This implies that minus 9 is equal to 3x. This implies that minus 9 divided by 3 is equal to x. This implies that minus 3 is equal to x, or x is equal to minus 3. So our answer is x is equal to minus 3.